Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we learn how to create a table from a table. How to create a table from a existing table. Okay. For this, I should go on one of our uh, SQL command. So you can use MySQL or PostgreSQL, any one of this. You must know that have to know that you can't do this operation in Microsoft SQL Server Management System. So for this, I just using pgadmin 4. So let's create a table from an existing table. Here you can see that we have created a table called student in the previous lecture, which includes three columns: ID, name, and major. ID, name, and major. So we want to create a table from this existing student table, and which table should name after student information by student info. Okay, so I should write a command, create table name. I should give a table name. I will give this table name student info as select. Here I will give the column name of the existing table, and then I will give the from statement from our existing table name. So I just write a command which is include create table student info. This is our new table name. As it হবে, as here should we alias and select this ID and name is the column, is the two column of our existing table student, and for this I write from student. Okay, so let's run it. Query returned successfully. So I will check it up if they create any of a table called student info. Select all from student info. Student info. Okay. So let's run it. Here you can see that ID and name, which is include to our student info table. So this is the process of creating a table from an existing table.